Hey everyone, welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to download and install Vencord for your Discord. Well, first, what you have to do, you have to open any of your favorite browser, then simply come over into the search option and simply search for Vencord. Click enter. It will going to give you the website. Click on that. And from here, you're going to get the download Vencord option. Click on that. And then you have to choose your operating system. If you're using Windows, Linux, Mac, browser, any of operating system, you need to just select it and simply I chose Windows and simply click on download Vencord installer.exe. Click on that and you're going to see the download option pops up and click on download. It's a very small size file. It's downloaded. Now if you click on the folder icon and simply click on 2 times to install and simply minimize the background apps. It's a very simple installation process. You have to just select the stable option and simply click on install and you can simply see the successfully passed. Click OK. Now close it. Simply open Discord. And now if you just simply come over into the bottom side and simply click on the settings option, you're going to find out the Vencord settings over here. So if you click on the Vencord, you're going to get all the Vencord functionality over here. So that's it for today. This is how you can simply download and install and simply connect it with your Discord. Thank you so much for watching. I hope to see you for another videos. Till then, goodbye.